Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Short PLC videos where I try to get over one topic at a time in a relatively short video. Today, another Automation Direct video. I'm still working on this EA9 series. It's a 7-inch, and I was gonna do a little quick preview of what we're up to. I'm gonna be showing you how to use the Simulate on the PC. The HMI is back there, but the PC I'm using is right here. And I wanted to show you some stuff with a selector switch that may be handy for some people. So here we go. Okay, so here we are. We are playing around with a very simple screen. I've got a large lookup text box which shows a whole bunch of faults. In the message database, I've configured lots and lots of faults. But what I wanted to show you was the simulate mode. So if I hit simulate, my target panel is this type. Hit start. Comes up, and here's my first screen with a bunch of hello world stuff. You've seen some of it in a previous video. I just hit the screen 2 button, which brings me to screen 2. Now, simulate right here. So I can turn on and off the auto indicator, as you can see, the manual indicator. And now here's the part that's kind of maybe interesting. I've got auto selector switch. If you look right here, you'll see auto. And you'll see that this selector switch goes to the right, but it also appears, whereas it's invisible when it's not on. So the left one is visible when the left facing selector switch or the center facing, that is one of these dynamic bitmaps that I'll show you in just a second. That one is visible when basically the auto switch is not on. So it goes invisible at this state, but the auto or right facing selector switch is only visible in this particular state. So there's that, and there's that. So you can see on the top, I've got them separated from each other, right? But on the bottom, the manual auto, they are right on top of each other, and what you get is kind of a seamless looking 3-state button. And let me exit the simulation here. Oh, a lot of things broken. Basically what I have in here is I have a dynamic bitmap. I chose from the symbol factory. I just had it boot up a whole bunch of options from the symbol factory and hit OK. So I have the center one when the manual switch is off, and I have the facing to the left, which is the manual side, when the tag name, when this boolean goes high, manual. Now I have an option. It is invisible when the auto object is visible when address value auto is off. So if we're not selecting, so as soon as we select auto, this dynamic bitmap completely goes invisible. And if we look at the one behind it, send it back. The only way to really get to those is to go to send it back. Here's the auto tag. You can see it goes to the right. It's only visible when the auto tag is on. So let's go back to simulate. Really, this will be the end of this video. But now maybe it makes more sense what's going on here. Right? That's the manual, and then the auto one turns on, the manual one goes invisible, and the auto one becomes visible. Okay, that's all I got for you. Have a good day.